Hindi rin aabot.
O yan.
Chinola at your service. Ngayon, dito na naman kami papunta kami ng Santa Victoria. Ayan. Ito ang nagdadrive ang aking daughter na si Genevieve. Ayan. What a wonderful day. Ayan, oh. Ang ganda. Oh. Kung may time kayo, nung nasaan man kayo sa dakon ng mundo, pumunta kayo rito. Ang ganda.
We're going to Santa Victoria.
Ayan, we're going to Santa Victoria. Ayun na, oh, ayan ang isa. Dito na kami. Ayan. Punta kami mag-swimming. Ayan.
Oh. My Vic.
You should go there.
Kapurungan na kami ni Kuya. No,
Bakit?
mamaneho daw. Sabi ko,
Bakit naman?
mga driver yan. Mga galing na driver sa highway.
Sa Canada ka mo.
Oo. Ayan. Oo.
We're like in the maze.
Oh.
Man naman kami kanikat luto.
We're like in the maze.
Walang kuya, gana mag-isa lang ang puntahan natin.
Ira na pa dua.
Amo ba kasi-
Galapat na kayo ni Dada. Galapat na natawan.
Dati kita demi ngamin.
Dati sa kita tayo nga ko takay kaso. Ilago ko na yung kwatakuan. Magastos. Truck yari.
Ang ganda rito. Yan ang mga tanim dito.
Bryson, it's your first time
It's a cornland. Yan. It's a cornland and then cornfield. Dahil pala cornland. Sorry for the words. Ayan. At then,
What's your head?
ayan.
What's your head?
Ang ganda ang taniman dito.
Yay!
Whoa, look at that Carabao. Whoa.
Wow.
Hoy, pwede tayo mag-mall, guys!
Ayan. No, say something.
Hello.
Ayan, we're going to
Good
Santa
morning,
Victoria.
say. This is Bryson at your service. Say it.
It's Bryson at your service.
This is Bryson at your service. Say it.
Ayan.
Look over there. Look over there. Hey, say it. Good morning. This
Good
is
morning
Bryson at
in
your
the service.
My mom is driving now.
My mom is driving right now. Look.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
We're going to i-edit mo sa Oda.
We're
going to
Taxi!
Santa.
Hindi, okay lang gaman no, yan dito YouTube. Wala namang problema. Kailangan din mahaba. Yan.
Animalandia.
Ayan.
That's how they call it? Animalandia.
Oh, only your face you show.
We're going to the top of the mountain. There, over there. Ayan.
We're just going inside the mountain.
Inside the mountain. No, we're going to Santa Victoria Cave. Yan. Isa sa mga pinagmamalaki ng mga Ilagueños. Ang cave na Santa Victoria Cave. Ayan, dyan. Wow.
Very nice. Tourist spot of
It's,
Ilagan.
yan.
One of the tourist spot of Ilagan.
Isa sa mga tourist spot yan. Dinadayo yan ng mga iba-ibang lahi. Ayan.
Muna tong mga dito, motorcycle.
Oh. Ayan, no.
We're close to it.
Okay, hanggang dito na muna.
Gusto mo na
Mamaya.
itong tong Bombay na to.
See you later.